Continuing this session, we will discuss the strategies to ensure parent and community involvement in preschool education program, as well as establishing linkages and promoting smooth transition of children from preschool to primary education. For this, it is important to have a partnership between the teachers, parents and communities. Such collaboration aims at providing holistic and seamless approach to children's learning, leading to prepare children do better academically, behaviorally and socially. Let us begin with parent involvement. Parents can be involved in the preschool education program in two ways. First, by educating them, and second, by engaging them as resource. Let us know how. Educating parents is necessary to ensure that whatever is achieved in preschool is further reinforced or complemented at home. This would help improve the quality of interaction with their children and help them construct the knowledge together. It is important to have parents aware of the need for a comprehensive approach to the development of children, age-related milestones and dangers of pushing children beyond what they are ready for. Care of children that includes emotional health, nutritional needs at different stages of development, importance of play and early stimulation for children's growth and development, and role of parents and support needed for the development of children. Engaging parents as a resource is a very important and exciting aspect of preschool education program, not only for the parents but for the children also. Teachers can engage parents as an additional adult to assist in handling small group activities such as creative activities, storytelling, or to accompany children for outings such as nature walk and field trips, etc. Parents can also be involved as substitute teachers and resource for collecting reusable waste or raw materials for use in the preschool center. Parents with specific talents or skills could make contribution by using their skills for the benefits of children. For example, a mother who can sing could teach children songs. Those belong to a different culture and states may be asked to share the features of their culture, their food preferences, dresses and festivals, etc. The community is also a very important stakeholder in preschool education program. It helps preschools in many ways, such as providing drinking water, adequate space for preschool and other resources. Few local members can be appointed in various capacities in the preschools for their contribution for meeting the objectives as well as functioning of the preschools. Another important aspect is linkages and smooth transition to primary grades. Transitions from preschool to primary grades is a major life-changing experiences for both children and their families. This transition can both exciting as well as challenging, where all efforts are made to adjust to a new environment, to new expectations, new interactions as well as new relationships. For a smooth transition, linkages between preschool and primary school should be established in terms of location, program and management. But how? Let us understand this process. First of all, the environment, classroom setting, timetable or the daily schedule, the curriculum and the pedagogical processes or the practices of primary grades needs to be aligned to the preschools. Early learning outcomes for children's learning in preschools needs to be linked with the learning outcomes of grade 1. Apart from this, training of preschool and grade 1 and 2 teachers needs to be held together. Parents and families should be involved in the transition program to help children adjust better. Changes in new class and new experiences must be gradual rather than sudden. Preschool and primary grade educators should coordinate and communicate regularly so that they can prepare children for transition from preschool to primary grades. Grade 1 teachers should go through the portfolios of preschool children, which will help them understand their children better. Visits to grade 1 and 2 may be organized for children to get familiarized with physical surroundings and environment before the academic session begins. Happy learning!